In the smartphone world, most of the time the public's gaze is pointed at your Samsungs and Apples and LGs, the brands that make the flashiest and most eye-catching devices out there. But they are far from the only players on the market, especially once you enter markets such as China, where the no-compromises approach doesn't work out nearly as well. So it's no surprise that Xiomi, one of the bigger smartphone makers in the People's Republic, would make its flagship device, the Mi 6, so seemingly pedestrian. It has already proven it can do new and weird with the Mi Mix, but now it's time to actually sell devices, so some corners inevitably have to be cut to be able to deliver good specs at a competitive price. Multimedia. As far as consuming media goes, the Mi 6 is sort of a mixed bag. First and foremost, there's no headphone jack present, which forces you to either use your existing wired pair via the adapter included in the box, which means not listening to music while charging, or having to use a Bluetooth-equipped pair instead. And as for the stereo speakers, while we prefer it if the second speaker was placed at the top of the device, their addition is still far more than many other current flagships can offer. The visual side is pretty good, too, while the display is, as previously mentioned, fairly inaccurate in its default settings. It's actually quite bright, which makes watching a video in a well-lit environment feel natural, rather than mature. Call quality and connectivity. It's fair to say the Mi 6 isn't the best choice if what you're looking for is a device to actually make calls on. Both the earpiece and the microphone are somewhat muffled, which could prove to be a problem in noisier environments.